Hi everyone, it's Danny from the Brow Cult in Central Milton Keynes. Today we are doing a one-to-one advanced hair stroke masterclass. Okay, so I'm going to bring that all the way up to where the top of the arch is going to be. With combination, we'll pre-draw them anyway, but you might flick your hair strokes just over the top of the line that you draw in, which is why I would never leave my line that I've created here, because if we're going to bring the hair strokes above that at the front, they're just going to be too long. Okay, I'll show you what I mean anyway. I'm just going to put loads of pencil in here so that I can play around with my cotton bud and get a really nice shape. So make sure there's always a bit more at the arch there. That's where our front hair stroke is going to start, okay? And just use the same motion as you would with your machine, because it will give you a nice fine line with the pencil, just coming back and forth. And you have more control as well. If you're pre-drawing your strokes and you just go boom there, you're going to end up having to change it. Okay, so we're starting on the line and we're bringing that hair stroke out towards the top. So advanced training is suitable for technicians who are already qualified in permanent makeup, so they have their full qualification already. They are confident with their machine, but they just maybe want to learn a new style, or they just like my style and they want to learn how I create it. If they're not confident and they haven't yet come to grips with their machine, then I would say they would need more than a 1 day and probably look at a 2-day masterclass. Just because I'm going to have to help them with that as well as teach them a new style. So a one-to-one masterclass I cater for each student. Some just want to come in and watch me work, they don't want to have their own model. Some will want to watch me work and they would like their own model as well. So I always ask this and I discuss with them before they come in what subjects they'd like to cover. Some might be lacking in certain areas, they might need more help with their needling techniques for hair stroke, in which case we'd really heavily focus on this, and they would of course then need their own model. Generally though, we would have a demo model in the morning, we'd focus on hair stroke pattern, I'd teach them step by step and get some practice in, and then they would have their own model in the afternoon where I'll help them throughout, but I would expect them to complete by themselves. After an advanced masterclass, students will they'll either feel more confident if that's what they were lacking, or they'll have a brand new technique that they can use on their clients. They will, if they came in for hair strokes or combination, they'll have my stroke pattern that they can go home and practice and then put into practice when they have clients in. Or if they are coming in for ombre and they haven't been offering that previously, they've only been mainly focusing on strokes, then again, they'll have a new technique to offer to their clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has given you an insight to what an advanced masterclass entails. If you would like further information on my training or courses, then you'll find the info and the links in the description below.